Hi everybody, let's refer to page 6 of your curve sketching notes. Look at this example. 1. Y is equal to negative x squared minus 4x minus 5. Alright, let us do our basic steps before we do our curve sketching. Okay, the shape of the curve. N shape. The x-intercept. Alright, we should be using the calculator to solve our quadratic equation in this place, where y is equal to 0. You realize there is an I at the right hand corner of the calculator, and this means that it's complex roots, meaning there will be no solution. So we will not be expecting any intersection along the x-axis. Y-intercept, where your x is equal to 0, solve for it. Your y is equal to negative 5. Now, we have to find our line of symmetry. Since there is no intercept along the x-axis, there is no way we can make use of the average of the two intercepts over there. So we have no other choice but to do completing the square, which I'm going to do very quickly now. Completing the square, half dx and put in bracket, subtract the square of that number there. There we have completed the square. Alright, I have just done the completing the square for you as well. So this is what you have. Let me pen it down at one corner. Alright, and I'm going to erase my working. Now that we have done our completing the square, you can see that the bracket square term is x plus 2. Let us equate our x plus 2 is equal to 0, meaning our line of symmetry is x is equal to negative 2. Last but not least, the turning point, and in this case we have our maximum point, where x is equal to negative 2. Substitute inside, and you get y is equal to negative 1. Now we need to do our plotting before we do our sketching. Alright, we do not have any x-intercept, but we have a y-intercept at y is equal to negative 5. So, please put a mark over there. The line of symmetry is negative 2. So please draw your line of symmetry at x is equal to negative 2. And we have our maximum point at negative 2, comma, negative 1. I'm going to put it using a different color so you can see better. So this point that I've just indicated is the maximum point. So let me write it down, the coordinates. Okay, remember, this is the line of symmetry. It means 2 units to the right hand side is at negative 5. It also means that 2 units to the left hand side, it must also be at negative 5. With that, let us join our curve. Alright, I'm not satisfied because it doesn't look smooth. I'm going to erase and draw again. Until you are satisfied with the curve, then you're done. There you have it. Alright, there's no intercept along the x-axis, but we are still able to sketch our curve. The second example on this page is very similar. You will have to do your completed square yourself. So please give it a try. Thank you.